Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is February 22nd, 2018, and we're here to give you all the news according to the charts before it actually happens. Everything that I mentioned here on this video is not to be considered investment advice. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it. Told you all yesterday, if you watched our video, that we were expecting the market to move lower, and that is exactly what occurred today. So that's why it's imperative for you all to stay tuned to this channel, to continually watch it, especially if you have funds in the cryptocurrency space. It's funny how when I scroll through YouTube and I see a lot of thumbnails that mentions the caption, crypto is in sell-off, the market is selling off, are we back into a bear market? When in fact I'm noticing, and I'm just sitting back like, wow, these individuals are so late to the party. We predicted this a couple of days ago, to where the market went all the way back up to around $12,000 for Bitcoin. I told everyone not to get excited because we can come back down. And that is exactly what occurred even today and yesterday. Okay, so once you understand the financial language of the markets, understand that you will be ahead of the curve, that you will understand what the market is speaking to you, so you can prepare yourself and position yourself in order to be more successful in the market. Now, granted, we do get it wrong occasionally, every once in a while, but understand that we still understand what the market is saying. Okay, we understand the language of the price bars and the volume quite well, because if not, we will not be able to predict with precise accuracy what is going to happen in the market. Now, let's go ahead and get into our analysis for today. Overall, let's take a general look. Not a surprise. As I scroll down this website, the market is still moving lower. A lot of negative numbers is being reflected on the 24-hour percentage change. Bitcoin 5.69, Ripple 6.5, Ethereum 3.88. So across the board, everything is down. So we're not surprised to see this occurring right now in the market. So I'm not going to waste any of your time. Let's just go ahead and get into our analysis and see what we expect to see tomorrow. Okay. Bitcoin is down right now on Bitfinex 6.63%. Last trade was $9,760.10. Daily price bar for Bitcoin tells us all again the same story. Market is giving us another precursor of weakness. Market tried to move higher earlier on the trading day, went all the way up to around $11,000, but look where the bar closed. So we still have weakness occurring in the market for Bitcoin. Let's take a look at the 3-hour bar to see where support is going to be found. Again, this last 3-hour bar is telling us that the market is still weak, so we're still looking for Bitcoin to move lower. Let's see where support is going to try to bounce at. It might come to this particular low here, 97.01. Okay, so keep that in mind. But if that's not going to hold, then definitely $9,600 is going to be that next area of support for Bitcoin. It might need to come down to these highs here for a quick second and move higher from there. But overall, 3-hour bars, daily price bar is giving us all precursors of weakness for the time being. So the day, tomorrow's trading can definitely start out with the market moving lower until it finds support. We told you all where we are under the presumption to where support may be. It might be around this area, 9,700, or even around this low here, 9,600, or even all the way down to 9,450. Now let's go ahead and see what's going on with Ethereum. So Ethereum is down 4.5%. Last trade was $799.92. Daily price bar, not a surprise. Ethereum and Bitcoin pretty much moves the same on a daily basis. Market moved higher throughout trading day today. Bar closed towards the low of the bar, so we still are in a weakness stage for Ethereum. 3-hour bars should give us the same indication, just like what happened in Bitcoin. The market was able to close higher, but look at the previous 3-hour bar. A lot less volume came in, so we may be hitting a support area for Ethereum right there around $800. So this could be support on this current 3-hour bar. The market may move higher from there, but nevertheless, we are still seeing precursors of weakness on the 3-hour bar for Ethereum. 1-hour bar for Ethereum as well. Let's see what we have. Market is simply consolidating right now, so keep that in mind. We're not seeing a huge breakout to higher prices. So the market at best will trade within a range. Hopefully $790 going to be support. Resistance going to be towards these highs, or even $820 in or around that price. Okay, I'm trying to zoom out to see if I get a different support resistance area. The market can definitely come all the way back down to this location, which was $778. So keep that in mind for Ethereum. But overall, precursors of weakness is still being reflected on Ethereum. So our analysis is for them to continue to move lower. Now let's go ahead and look at Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash is down 6.72%. Last trade was $1,192.70. Precursors of weakness. This is the third day that we've seen the market move lower for Bitcoin Cash. As you guys can see, as I move the mouse here, support has been there around $1,200. So hopefully the market can find support once again, just like it has over these last couple of trading days in the beginning half of February. So keep that in mind. We're looking for the market to trade there, or at least find support. 3-hour bar is still giving us precursors of weakness, so we're not looking for Bitcoin Cash to move higher just yet. It has to stay here though, so we can expect the market to move lower anywhere from where it is now. It is imperative that we get more precursors of strength bar right now in Bitcoin Cash around this $1,190 to $1,200 area. If we don't get any precursors of strength bars, then Bitcoin Cash will be moving lower, and it might come all the way down to 1160 or even lower than that. But overall, we have to watch the market for Bitcoin Cash. We are around support now, so keep your eyes to the chart for Bitcoin Cash, because if it breaks the support area around $1,200, then anywhere below that can be support. Okay, currently I could tell them 3-hour bars we are getting weakness, so the analysis currently is for them to continue to move lower. Now we're going to move on to Ripple real quick. So Ripple as well is down 7.09%. Last trade was 87 cents. Daily price bar for Ripple, you guys can see this is the third day again, just like with Bitcoin Cash. So the market moving lower, and the volume is increasing steadily as the market is going lower in price. Three-hour bars for Ripple gives us the same indications. Just like with Bitcoin Cash, market is moving lower. We're expecting the market to at least come back down to these lows, or this could possibly already have been the low for Ripple. It could definitely come back down to 66 cents, but we're not seeing a lot of interest in higher prices in Ripple neither. So our analysis for them to at least trade sideways to lower. This is where we're getting a lot of that consolidation. We're getting that right now in Ripple. The market is trying to keep support, so that's one of the positive things that I can see in the market for Ripple, as well as with Bitcoin Cash and Ethereum, is that the market is at least consolidating for the time being. So we just need to wait until we get a precursors of strength bar around this consolidation before you can take a position in Ripple and at least ride the market back up to 90 cents or so, because that is prior resistance that you got to keep an eye on. Now let's go ahead and look at Litecoin. So Litecoin is down 9.5%. Last trade was $190. Daily price bar for Litecoin. Again, all of these altcoins did the same thing today. The market in the beginning half of the trading day shot higher, but definitely we don't have any interest on the daily price bars for these altcoins. So we're still expecting the market to move lower to find support. Support can definitely be here around the highs of these bars. Pay attention to that. The market came and tested here, so obviously we are noticing buyers are coming in the market. 3-hour bars for Litecoin. looks just like Bitcoin Cash and Ripple. Market is trying to find support now. Okay, so this is an area that you need to watch for precursors of strength bars. The market came and touched $190 around 3 times. It's there now on the close, so you have to keep an eye for precursors of strength bars now in Litecoin in order for the market to continue to move higher, or at best trade sideways. But as I am noticing on the 1 hour bars, we're getting nothing but precursors of weakness, albeit the market is trading sideways. So that is a positive thing to see in order for the market just to move a little higher. So it might just come back up to $200, even $204 in tomorrow's trading. But definitely we have nothing but precursors of weakness. So we're not interested in higher prices right now. So now let's go ahead and look at Dash. So Dash is down 5.47%. Last trade was $622.35. Daily price bar for Dash is giving us another precursor of weakness, albeit I can tell you that buyers did come in the market. Look at the volume. It's a lot lighter than what it's been for the other altcoins. So Dash is a lot stronger comparatively than to the other altcoins. Okay, so the 3 hour bars for Dash, the market came and gave us a push to go a bar. The market is a precursor of strength bar. You guys can see that it did not give us the type of follow through. So the market is still giving us slight inclinations of weakness, but definitely Dash is one of the stronger coins that we have done analysis for today. So keep that in mind. We just need to wait and see where support is going to be. Hopefully support is going to be right here on the tops of these highs here in the background. Okay, so keep your eye on the market now as I'm doing this video. If this becomes a precursor of strength bar, Dash will be moving higher. If not, expect Dash to continue to move lower to find support, but that is a pretty good sign that I do see in Dash. So even on the 1 hour bar, you guys can see that the market is trying to find support now. So if this current 1 hour bar closes as a probable precursor of strength and the next one closes higher, then we're expecting the market to move higher. So now I'm going on to look at NEO. So NEO is down 6.10%. Last trade was $110.04. Daily price bar looks the same, just like with the other altcoins. Not interested in higher prices. So the market is still looking weak currently for NEO as well. It looked like the market on the daily price bar, NEO can come back down to $100. 3 hour bars for NEO, nothing but precursors of weakness. The market is trying to recover, but it's not ready yet. Okay, so we just got to stay on the sideline until we get another signal of precursors of strength bar, and then we'll be able to move into the market. But currently we are not seeing any interest in higher prices right now. So our analysis is for NEO to continue to move lower, possibly even sideways. Okay, so hopefully the support area is going to be on this low around 108, almost $109, but definitely could come all the way down to 108 or even 104. I can even see coming down to $100 if we get a lot more volume in the market, but it looked like the market is trying to subside in the selling currently, so the market can definitely come down to 108 or 104. Now let's go ahead and look at Monero. Monero is down 10.72%. Last trade was $269.26. Again, a very wide push to go down bar. Volume is also back in the move. We can tell we had a very wide trading day today. Yesterday, and I told you all that yesterday. And it just shows you how much sellers came into the market today with the bar closing all the way down towards the low. So we're not done with lower prices for Monero as well. 260 is the first area that we're looking for Monero to find support. But if it's not going to hold support at 260, then definitely expect the market to continue to move lower. Okay, I'm gonna zoom out to see if we can find a different support area. So this is where support needs to be in order for Monero to move higher, where it currently is trading now. So if the next 3-hour bar closes above this previous one, then at least expect Monero to move higher. Might not move that high. $280 will be that first area of resistance. So the last one for today is going to be Cardano. Daily price bar. Again, not interested in higher prices. Not a surprise compared to what all the other altcoins were. 3-hour bars for Cardano. Again, markets just simply trade. It's simply consolidating, trading sideways. All this volume is coming in on the 3-hour bar now. It's telling us that either the market's getting induced with a lot of selling, or the buyers are trying to support Cardano above 30 cents. Okay, so that's a pretty good sign, especially if the next 3-hour bar closes above. If it does, then for the time being, expect Cardano to trade sideways or maybe even a little higher. Okay, but we're definitely not out the woods yet in lower prices, or at best trading sideways in Cardano. Okay, so that's all I have for today, February 22nd, 2018. And just as a quick recap, we are noticing some of these altcoins trading around support areas, so you have to be vigilant. Keep your eyes on the chart, because as long as we see precursors of strength bars around support, then the market will move higher. Now I'm telling you now that the market may not move that high. It might make a quick move up just to get hit with more stockpile and move lower. Okay, so I can tell you all from the charts that the market is at least subsiding from all of the selling that occurred today or yesterday in trading, but we're not out the woods yet, because on the daily price bar it still reflects that the market is still weak with the close of the bars towards the low. Okay, so we're not necessarily in the market trying to find a buy position yet, because it is not giving us that inclination. It is not giving us that signal as you read these bars. Okay, another thing I want to tell you all before I go is that next week I'm gonna take off ADA from doing our analysis, and I'm going to input one of the cryptocurrencies you want me to do. Okay, so starting Monday, in the comments section of the video, let me know which altcoin or cryptocurrency you want me to do analysis for Tuesday, the next trading day, and I'll do it. And whichever cryptocurrency gets the most comments will be the cryptocurrency I will be doing my analysis for the next trading day. Okay, so that's one of the new things we're going to try to add here to this channel, to give you all some input, to allow you all to participate somewhat on the news according to the charts. We want you all to give us the news that you want to see, that's imperative to you all. Okay, but overall, everyone stay profitable, stay on the sidelines until we get more precursors of strength to reflect itself. That's how you understand the financial language of the markets. We are here, relaxed and comfortable. Okay, everyone stay profitable, and I will talk to you all later. Have a good one.